In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank accounts to QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you, ensuring that your transactions flow into QuickBooks with ease and accuracy. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and clicking on Transactions. After that, head over to Bank Transactions. This is your main hub for managing how your bank information gets into QuickBooks. Now, there are two straightforward ways we can add bank accounts, through linking the accounts directly or by manually uploading the bank transactions. Let's explore each method so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. If you decide to link your bank accounts, start by clicking Link Account. You'll find it conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you've done that, you'll see a search bar. Simply type in the name of your bank and follow the authentication process that pops up. This usually involves entering your bank credentials and confirming your identity, a step that's crucial for maintaining security. Linking directly is ideal because it automatically imports your bank transactions, saving you time and reducing the possibility of manual entry errors. For those who prefer or need to add a bank account manually, the process is just as straightforward. Look for the small caret icon right next to the Link Account button you just saw a moment ago. Click on it and then select Upload from File. This option allows you to manually import your transactions if for any reason your bank doesn't support direct linking, or if you prefer to have more control over which transactions are uploaded. When you choose to upload from a file, QuickBooks will prompt you to either choose an existing account or create a new one. This designation within QuickBooks ensures that each transaction goes exactly where it should. Simply upload the bank transaction file you've got on hand, and QuickBooks will do the heavy lifting for you. And that's it. Whether you choose to link your bank account directly or upload transactions manually, you've now set the stage for more straightforward and efficient financial tracking. By keeping everything updated, your QuickBooks Online will serve as an accurate reflection of your financial health, allowing you to focus more on managing your business and less on manual input. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has made adding bank accounts to your QuickBooks Online a breeze. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out and explore more of our tips and tricks for mastering QuickBooks. Have a great day managing those finances.